The UAE government is actively involved in the crypto industry, establishing clear and supportive frameworks for crypto businesses. This proactive approach creates a thriving environment for the industry. The UAE is embracing blockchain technology, recognizing its potential to revolutionize various sectors. By laying a solid foundation for the growth of the crypto ecosystem, the UAE is positioning itself at the forefront of the industry. The UAE is attracting significant investments in the crypto space, with startups, enterprises, and investors looking at the region as the place to be. This influx of investment reflects confidence in the market's potential. Dubai and Abu Dhabi provide a robust infrastructure and financial ecosystem, making them irresistible to international crypto businesses. This fosters innovation and growth within the crypto space. The UAE government is actively integrating blockchain and crypto into public services, going beyond setting regulations. This level of commitment is a game changer in the crypto landscape. The UAE's strategic location and global connectivity make it a hub for international collaboration in the crypto space. This fosters partnerships and exchanges that drive innovation and change the way we use cryptocurrencies. The UAE's dedication to fostering innovation in the fintech sector aligns perfectly with the disruptive nature of cryptocurrencies. It has become a hotbed for fintech revolution, pushing boundaries and changing the game. Through clear regulations, blockchain adoption, strategic investments, financial prowess, government backing, global connectivity, and a focus on innovation, the UAE is set to become the next big hub for all things crypto. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the UAE's crypto landscape. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more insights into the world of crypto. Keep riding the crypto wave, and until next time, stay curious.